All right, it is Friday, May 1st. It's a beautiful day here in New Jersey. Blue skies everywhere. Beautiful bridge behind me. We are on the Holmskill. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We're going to do the same thing we did the last 2 weeks. We'll fish here for an hour, hour and a half, and then go over to the Peak West because they stock there today, and we can fish after 5 o'clock. So we'll see what happens here. Last week, had a banner week last week. We got 20 trout last week. I realized they're all stockers, but out of the 20, there was 4 nice ones that were 13, 14 inches. So you got to weed through the 10 and 11 inch ones to get to the nice ones. So hopefully we do that again this week. All right, stay tuned. We'll see what happens. Oh, we finally got into a good trout. We finally got into a good trout. He is not messing around. Stay in the water. Man, is he pulling? Is it a trout? Might even be a trout. Can't keep the net going. Oh no, he's a bass. There we go. I wonder why he hit well. Oh, that's a nice smallmouth. Look at that bad boy. That is a beautiful smallmouth. For a stream, look at him. He's gorgeous. This takes me back to my tournament days. Look at him. Huh? He's beautiful. Son! 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 All right, buddy. Go get him. Well, wasn't a trout. That was a nice, about a 1 pound smallmouth, which you don't usually get in the stream. Take them all day long. Man, I don't know what that was. That's another smallmouth boy. We're in him now. Whatever that was good. There we go. There's one. buddy. Little stalker. Little stalker. Nice. Cute little guy. No, 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 no. Here you go, buddy. All right. Go get him. Okay, buddy. Little guy. Little guy, little guy, little guy, little guy, little guy, little guy. Yeah, he's cute. Nice, nice color stone. Okay, okay. Easy, easy. Jesus. Squirmy. There it is. All right, bro. Go get him.